Namaste, welcome to the MOOC course AI Smart Teacher. In this video we will see how to access the quizzes MCQ quiz in this course. As you can see, the quiz is available from 21st and 22nd of March. Click on the quizzes. These are different tabs, quizzes, and the MCQ quiz will be available. This is the quiz. Click on this and then read all the instruction very carefully. The quiz is available for only 2 days. Time limit is 30 minutes. Once you start taking the quiz, you need to complete it within 30 minutes. There are 15 questions and 15 marks are there. The questions and options are available in Marathi and in English. In 30 minutes, how many questions you are putting and how many questions are correct. On that basis, the marks will be allotted. Suppose the quiz is not get completed, the marks will be allotted on the basis how many questions you have completed and how many questions were correct. There is another option for it. You can take this question 2 times, but that up to you. You will not able to know how many marks you got in quiz 1, attempt 1. Then it's your choice. If you want to try for second time, you can try for second time. Or suppose there is some technical issues on first time, or you are not satisfied with the answers, you can try for attempt 2. But in that case, next attempt 2 marks will be considered final marks. So it's your choice. One attempt is sufficient, but second option is given in case you want to improve. Suppose you want to, you are not satisfied, then you can click over here. This is not resume. You will see it, take a quiz or start a quiz, and then you will able to see the question one after one, and this question will remain on for 30 minutes. Once you start, you should complete it within 30 minutes. So only 15 questions MCQs are there. Then at the end you need to submit the quiz, and then you will able to see these marks in your grade. So all the very best.